over maybe the last 10, 15 years, I'm seeing we had a lot of systems that were completely independent. You remember PBX systems that we put in a building, and they were a completely independent piece of equipment.
That's my first job, by the way.
Yeah, so it was one of mine too. When I transferred from the electrical world and landed in that Bell South data center, one of my responsibilities was to, the old Nortel switch that was there, and so we did all the moves, adds, and changes for them. But anyway, that was a completely independent system. There was no integration between phones and data. Now you don't really see a dial tone anywhere. So everything has kind of followed that. The cameras that were once run on coax are now run, totally on twisted pair. The amount of integration that we do with that with the image that we capture on the camera, now there's all this metadata who sits on top of the image, and we can say, if this box changed by 25%, then we're gonna call up an alarm. We've had some kind of emotion, and now we're figuring out what else we can do with that metadata and with analytics, and saying, if it's swiped from this direction to that direction, someone entered the building. But if it's swiped from this direction to that direction, then someone exited the building, and we start getting people counts. And so there's I just rambled for a minute on telling you how all these systems have now integrated onto one consolidated network, and then with that step from there, how we are starting to use the capabilities of having everything sitting on one platform. And so that's kind of where we're at right now, is figuring out what to do with all the data that's available to us.